Dear students, in this section we will see a practical for password verification. Aim of this practical is to implement a program in Marsum for password verification. The logic of this program is there is a one password which is stored and we have to enter the new password from the keyboard, and it will compare the stored password with the entered password. If both the passwords are same, then it will display the message access granted. Otherwise, it will display the message wrong password, enter the new password. Okay. So for that purpose, we will implement this program. So here the messages are first is enter the password. Second is wrong password, enter new password. And the third is when two passwords are matched, then it is access granted. Okay, this is the variable of pass db India, which is the stored password. db is the defined byte and India is our password. Okay, then extra segment contain the keyboard password which we will enter from the keyboard, and it will stored into this kbpass variable. Okay, so kbpass db10 dup0, this will allocate the 10 memory location and it will assign the value 0 in that. Okay, these are the statements to initialize the data and extra segment. This is the statement to display the message 1, that is enter the password. See, this is LEADI comma kbps. As we know, there are two strings, source and destination. Source string is in the data segment and extra destination string is always stored in extra segment. The effective address of the source string is in SR and the destination string is in DI. So here the effective address is loaded into the DI register. Counter is taken as 5 because the India contains 5 letters, so the counter is 5. Here we have used 07h function. This is the 07h function. See, so this function will take the input from keyboard, but it does not display it. As we know, password does not display on the screen, so that is why we have taken this 07h function, and it will store the input which have taken from the input into the kbpass variable, and instead of that it will display this asterisk sign. Okay, now it will take it for the for 5 it will take 5 character, as we have taken the 5 counter. Okay, now next we have to compare it. So our keyboard password is stored into the DI, and pass which is stored password is the effective address of the stored password is in SI. Here we will compare it. See, here we will compare it pass and kbpass JNZ error. If both the passwords are not same, then it will display the error that wrong password, enter the new password. So this is the message for error M2. Then if both the passwords are same, then it will display the M3 message which is access granted. Okay, and this is for wrong password. So this is the program for password verification. Now we will run that program. The name of the program is pass.asm. Okay, so now we will go at command prompt, cd/cd. Marsum. First command is M2 for compilation. M2 pass.asm. Okay, so here there is a one error. We will solve it. M, we have not commented it out, so we will comment it. Comment is given by semicolon. We will save and then again we will run it. See, now the errors are 0, L2 pass.obj. Okay, and the last command is pass.exe. Okay, so I will enter wrong password. See, this is the wrong password. Again, this is wrong password. The password is India. If I will type India, it will give the message access granted. Okay, so this is the program for password verification, which will compare the two passwords. If the passwords are correct, then match, then it will give the message access granted. Otherwise it will give the message wrong password, enter new password. Okay, thank you.